To make a transparent background, I'm going to pick a picture from my photo library here. So let's pick this picture. I'm going to resize it to fit my screen. I'm going to remove the background of this image. You see, it has no background, but if you click the background, we'll see that it has white color on it. And if you click on add color, there's nowhere to remove the color for it not to have color. But let me show you how you can get this image to be with the transparent background. When I click on share, I'm going to hit on download, and here where it says transparent background, I'm going to check this box. I'm going to select the pages I want to download. I just want to download this page, and I'll hit on done, download. Now, if we bring back what we downloaded into our design, you see is a cutout image that we can find in our upload without a background. If you want to learn Canva in detail and you need a coach, send me a message on Instagram and we'll pick it up from there. Subscribe to the channel if you got value from this video, and do have a good one.